Hey yo, what's up? This is Shobaldi mga kapatid. Welcome ulit sa ating bagong video reaction para sa mga horror videos, mga top 5 ghost videos na ating mapapanood at ating makikita sa World Wide Web sa mga YouTube, no, sa iba't iba, no. Maraming salamat sa aking utol kay Buds Dizon ng Republican Empire sa pag-send nitong bagong video panonoorin natin, no. Mga tol, ito ay Japanese. Alam naman natin, di ba, bang mga Japanese, bukod sa mga blurred yung mukha. Kasi mga tol, no, mahigpit kasi talaga sa kanila, kaya madalas na blurred talaga yung mukha. Pero kapag mga Japanese videos kasi, medyo may kahirapan o imposible mahanap pa yung source ng mga videos. Pero kung usapang creepy, kung usapang horror, talagang nakakatakot talaga ang mga videos na makikita natin sa mga Hapon. So wag na natin patagalin to. Top 10 scariest yokai. Ay, yokai siguro, ano yun, yung ghost siguro sa Japan. Sightings posted online. Japanese ghost. Yun siguro yung yokai, no? Okay, wag na natin patagalin to mga kapatid. Play na natin.
Is there something scary behind you?
Uy,
These people are about to find out. Here are 10 scary
Teka, kape-kape muna tayo. Pampakalma. Pampanervyos ata.
Japanese videos. Ghosts caught on camera.
Ayan na naman, mga salamin. Kaya mga pelikulang horror ng Japanese nire-remake ng Amerika, 'di ba? Katulad ng The Rings, 'di ba? Yung The Grudge, mga gusto nating mga pelikula. Mahilig kasi kami dalawa ni ang asawa ko manood ng mga zombies, ghost, mga ganyan.
Number 10. This is a case of extreme paranormal activity caught on camera. This man lives with many strange happenings around him all the time, so he decided to capture much of it on video as proof of what it is going on in his apartment.
Ita niyo yan, doon sa may CR. Tapos yung kamerang ginagamit nila yung makalumang makalumang digicam.
Lives with his girlfriend in a small apartment in Tokyo and doesn't have any idea why it's happening to him.
Ay, gago. Oh. Ang anong yun, oh. Gago, nagagalit yung ano. Pero bago to mga pinggan na to, may napansin lang ako kanina. Hindi ko alam kung yun ba ay ghost din kasi hindi masyadong binigyang pansin nung nagbi-video, no. Kaya balikan natin ng kaunti. Nakabukas yung
This man
gripo.
lives with many strange happenings around him all the time, so he
Yan, no. Sinasabi ko kanina, hindi ata napansin nung nagbi-video, pero 'di ba hindi normal. Ay, leche.
Decided to capture much of it on video as proof of what it is going on in his apartment.
Dito siya mas nag-focus sa mga pinggan na nagliparan sa sahig.
He lives with his girlfriend in a small apartment in Tokyo and doesn't have any idea why it's happening to him.
Lalayas na ako dyan. Ano nga? Ito ata yung kanina. Pagtayo niya. Oh, gago ka. Putek. Tartado putek niya. Ang lalakas manakot nitong mga Hapon na to, no? Ayan pa, yan. Nakita na. Gago. Mas na yan. Shit.
They think she is an angry female spirit, look for the revenge, or is unaware that she is dead. Perhaps she used to live in a
Gago,
building in the
kinikilabutan
past
ako
and
dun.
died in a way that prevented her from moving on. So, she wants revenge by tormenting anyone who lives there. Number 9. This couple were about to go on a night out when something very strange happened. While inside the car, everyone is happy and talking, not aware about what is about to come at them.
Uy, putik, ano yun? Gago na yun, nasagasaan nila.
We see what looks like a person standing in the middle of the road. He doesn't notice it and continues driving forward until he hits it. They stop and come out to see it.
Gagsti, kung totoong tao yun mga tol, magkakaroon ng ano yun, magkakaroon ng tag dito, damage dun sa sasakyan nila. Kasi yung impact nun yung pagbangga dun sa windshield, doon sa side mirror pwede rin. Di ba? Kung totoong tao yun.
What is that hiding below the car? It looks like a human face looking up at the camera. In Japan,
nakapapamura ako. Kung lakas manakot ng mga Hapon.
there exists being called yokai. Many think encounters like these are when normal people and yokai cross paths.
You know. Parang dumulas lang sa ano nila no? Ay, putya. Napaulit-ulit lang yan. Oh, shit.
Number 8. A family of 4 lost their home to a fire. Investigators recorded video
Pagkatapos ko manood ng ganito mga tol. Pagkatapos ko manood ng ganito, naglalaro ako ng counter o kaya gumagawa ako ng beat para mawala sa isip ko. No? Siyempre, ano natin content lang natin ayaw natin tumatak sa isip natin.
of the remains of the structure of the home when they went back to inspect it and try to discover the cause of the incident.
Ay,
The
gago.
camera, however, captured something very unsettling. There in the rubble, we see a ghost human shape. If you listen closely, we hear crying as it comes walking towards the camera.
Gago, kakaiba
You
yung
think
mga
that this is the
nakukunan
ghost
nito.
of
Hindi
one
lang
of the
basta-basta
tragic
shadow
residents?
no? Zombie ghost ang putik. Matitindi mga ghost sa Japan. Naka lang yan. Oh. Gagsti.
Number 7. Sometimes things happen right in front of your eyes are the things we tend to miss. Pay attention to the woman sitting on the bench as the man talks to his phone.
Shit.
He doesn't seem to realize that 1 minute she is sitting right there and next she is vanished.
Gago,
something easy
nagtatayo
to
ang mga
miss, but
balahibo
very
ko.
hard to explain.
Para ako may chicken skin, no? Ano, goosebumps ang putik. Ang pinaka nakakatakot dyan ng mga CCTV operator sila yung mga pinaka natatakot talaga sa mga ganyan mga bagay.
Number 6. Working late at the office, this woman has an experience no one would like to have happen to them. Things go strange very quick as the papers behind her are tossed in the air. She turns around, scared and confused, but we don't see anyone near there.
Langya
That is
kasi,
until she is
napakasipag
dragged
mo
away by force.
Napakasipag na babae kasi, no? Baga siya na lang naiwan sa opisina, lahat nagsiuwian na
Kicking and screaming, but nobody is around to help her.
Yan ang mga problema pag sobrang sipag no? Dilim-dilim na nga Pareho pa rin naman na sweldo.
Number 5. As we mentioned at the start, sometimes you don't know what might be lurking behind you at all times. Sometimes, scary things can be closer than we might think. These people were live on camera when unexpected things happened to them. Strange noises, shadows moving out of the corner or the eye, and even door opening all by themselves. Pay close attention and see for yourself.
Relax, di nakakatakot ang putek na yan. Ayan, oh. Shit. Kaya tingin ako na tingin dito sa camera ko. Dito tingin ako na tingin sa camera ko. Mamaya mayroon din sa likod ko, visit na yan. Kaya yung mga ibang nagko-comment, mga gago rin, tinatakot ako eh. Yung ganyan mga tol. Kampi-kampi tayo rito, di ba? There's something behind.
Yaめて怖いからマジでそういうのはね心霊配信の時だけにしてほしいそうだってもう最近は全然心霊配信もしてないからね
Meron daw sa likod niya.
言えないでやめてよちょっとそういうの
Hello! 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 Hello!
ちょっとうちゃんの顔見れないじゃないよオッケーオッケーえちょっと待って何
Anong yun? Bilang bumubukas yung pinto eh, no? Tapos nagkakapi pa ako, nervous tuloy. Tapos napakadilim sa labas ng pintuan niya, no? Ano na, sumilip-silip. Ano na, sarado mo na lang. Sarado mo na, huwag ka na sumilip.
なんで開くんだよって言われても怖いよ俺の
Anong iniwan mo pang bukas?
ね、そうだからさっきリプくれた人結構いるね。うん。やばいね。ぷよぷよ好きですね。ぷよぷよ大好きですね。うん。シングル9月中に出んのかな。
Gumagalaw yung mga nasa likod ng putek. Parang may tao eh, oh. Tingnan natin. Ito may kulay itim eh, oh.
Number 4. This girl on the subway is acting strange. Is there something that she knows that we don't? The camera person follows her and keeps recording. Nothing happens at first for the rest of the video. We don't see anything much either. That is until we see a bigger picture. Look at the reflection in the mirror. Something obviously isn't right. There is an extra person. Who's that person and why can we only see their reflection?
Pucha, yun na matindi dun.
Number 3. These high school girls don't notice that there's a shadow person looking at them in the background. The camera shows a dark, human-shaped form that comes walking in from the left. It stands there, looking at them and lingers for a bit.
Kasi itong mga Hapones na to, ang iikli magpalde.
Eventually moves on but never seem to notice it.
Ito yung mga mumu na mamanyak sila eh.
Number 2. A group of friends are about to explore an abandoned building. The stumble abound in the darkness with only their torches for light. Nobody sees anything out of the ordinary and they continue forward on their investigation. The camera, however, caught something that if they saw with their own eyes, would have reacted very different.
Ay, gago. Kala ko muka. Ilaw lang pala. Ah. Ayun, oh. Ito. Kala ko mukha, ilaw lang pala. Ayan, katulad niyan. Ano naman ganyan?
調べ
Putya,
による
nagugulat
と
ah.
ここはかつて色町として栄えた地域であり、この廃墟においても多くの女性が娼婦として働いていたらしい。なお、当時の風俗店は取り決めが厳しく、
There was a ghostly pale face looking at them from the ceiling. The face is ghostly white, with no eyes and looks like a giant baby.
Hindi, yung ilaw lang yan.
What would you have done if you saw this?
Hindi, ilaw lang yan. Yung ilaw na ano lang, no. May tawag dun yung parang nagkakaroon ng imaginary shape. Mga ganun. Minsan sa cloud nangyayari yan, di ba? May mga shape. So ano yung ilaw? Kasi kapareho lang din ng ilaw Binigyan ng explanation no?
Number 1. Here we are at the end of the video, and we have a very interesting video to close things off with. A couple of people record themselves cooking dinner in the kitchen. In this case, we might expect to see something lurking in the background or a ghostly figure to appear, but what happens is even more scary than that. As the camera pans around the room, they notice that there is a figure of a
Ito yung
person
napanood
leaning up
natin nung
against the
isang
frosted
araw.
window. Could it have been a stalker or possibly a person trying to break in? The person looks like they just stood there looking inside at them. The shocking part is when the window is
Pero
opened.
creepy
There was
pa rin
no
tong
one
hayop
there.
na video na to.
Whoever or whatever that was has vanished.
Creepy pa rin itong video na to na kanang yan.
ない
Yan utang.
わかんない今いたよね
Gusti na yan. Titinding manakot dito mga hapon na to. Huwag mo nang ulitin.
何が
Ay bale, patapos na rin naman last video.
何ない わかんない
Nakakatakot yung mukha.
今いたよね
I hope you enjoyed the list and the
Eto,
videos
Haru.
that we featured.
Hayop
If you have an idea for a video you would like to see us make,
Hayop yung unang-unang video na natin gago. Mga kalabot. Maraming salamat kay kapatid na Bad sa pagpapadala nitong ng link, no. Marami pa tayong bibigyan ng reaction mga horror videos, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta. At sa lahat ng mga gusto mag-avail ng Republican shirt, Republican mga kapatid, ito, yeah. Sa lahat ng mga gusto mag-avail ng ating merch mga kapatid, no. At nakalagay sa ibaba, sa link sa ibaba yung ating official Shopee store. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat mga kapatid. Ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.